I'm about to make some banana nut chocolate chip loaf for dinner. And all you need is milk. But y'all know I'm gonna add my little stuff in there. I'm gonna add 1 egg. And some milk. Give me 1 second. Let me get my lighter to light. I wanted to try this from Aldi's. It's called Winking Owl. It is sweet red. I just wanted to try something new. Yes, baby. I got a new candle from Aldi's yesterday, vanilla scented. Honey, this smells so good. It's gonna have this house smelling good. Do you hear me? I know you my thingy. Happy Friday, guys. Ooh, that's good too. Look in there. Butter in my pan. I want buttery. Well, a lot because I'm gonna mix some in here. Around. Mix that in there. Ooh, it smells good. I love banana nut bread. But I'm putting a twist on mine. I am adding some chips. Let me get a bag of leftovers. It is Friday. Big bag of these for Sam's. These supposed to be muffins, but I don't want to look. I don't want no brown muffin. Alright. Spread this out. sticks. I don't have any buttermilk today, so I'm not using buttermilk. I'm using hot sauce, flavor, chicken seasoning. It's a lot of chicken. Salt. Mix it all up at the bottom. Black pepper. And a little salt. Alright, now I'm just going to get in here and mix everything up. Alright guys, I am about to season my chicken. Flour on the chicken. Put it in the skillet. And then if we don't eat it all, honey, we can have it for the weekend, honey. We can do tacos or sandwiches. I actually would like a nice chicken pizza. Fried really good. Fried really good. Look at that. Yeah, nice and crunchy. Make my own chicken sandwich, honey. Yes, I am. I got some buns, I got my cheese. I'm gonna slice up my onion, tomato, so my chicken is done. The tater tots are done. I done made the sauce for the chicken. I done cut up the tomatoes. I'm waiting on my buns to get done, and then we will plate. And a little mayo. Some lettuce. Some romaine. And I put mine at the bottom with the sauce. Hot honey and hot sauce mixed together. Onions. And tomato. I didn't even put no cheese on mine. I might put some on. Just a fruit. It's hot. Banana nut green with chocolate chips. Listen, this is a great Friday dinner, okay? Got me a glass of wine. All right, give me 1 second. Tater tots, crispy hot honey and hot sauce and honey sauce, and tater tots, and a nice banana nut loaf with chocolate chips. Ooh, hey y'all, hey, listen, this chicken sandwich so good. Chicken sandwich good, tater tots good, seasoned. Listen, it is so good. Take me a shower. Put my gown on. It's so good. So my husband just got home. He just want 2 sandwiches. So this is his. That bun, buttery toasted bun. And I'm gonna do some pickles. Hold on one second. Alright guys, I am trying my banana nut loaf. I was gonna put some glaze on it, but nothing.